There is easier way to solve rational equation, and it is the cross multiplication. So the next example is 3 over x plus 2 equals x minus 3 over 2x plus 4. In this part, you can use the distribution method or the FOIL method. Next, we equate this to 0 by using the transposition method. So the solutions are 9 and negative 2. We all know that division by 0 is undefined.
Created using Powtoon.